Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. At the beginning of the session, let me thank all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today, again I will discuss one question from trigonometric inequality. In a triangle ABC, prove that sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C is less than equal to 9 by 4. So this question again involve 2-3 part questions. So please watch the video from beginning to end so that you can learn many concepts or recall the concepts. First is your I'll write sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C I'll prove that this equals to 2 plus 2i cos A cos B cos C. You also try to prove this identities. First I'll prove this. So for this I'm taking the left hand side, sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C. I'll replace one by one with cos formula. Sine square A equals to 1 minus cos of 2A by 2. Next is 1 minus cos of 2B over 2, or this is half of 1 minus cos 2C, cos square C. Then you can simplify. I'll get half plus half plus half. That will be 3 by 2. And each is negative half. I'll take common. It will be cos twice A plus cos twice B plus cos twice C. Or sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C. We got 3 by 2 minus half of cos 2A cos 2B cos 2C. Next, coming to cos 2A, the right hand expression, cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. I'll convert this twice B double angle to single angle. So what I'll take sum of product formula. So 2, it's a product of sum, cos 2A plus 2B by 2, that will be A plus B, into cos 2A minus 2B by 2, that will be A minus B, plus cos 2C. Now cos A plus B equal to cos 180 minus C, because A plus B plus C makes 180 degree. So that will be minus cos C. So I'll write minus 2 cos C into cos A minus B, and here cos 2C I'll convert into cos C, that will be 2 cos square C minus 1. So from first two terms I can take 2 cos C common, then minus 2 cos A minus B will be left, and from the second term cos C will be left, minus 1. So you could guess. Now I'll take minus 2 cos A minus B, and this cos C I'll write as negative of cos A minus B. it's not 2 cos A plus B. This is equal to 2 cos C, taking minus common, it will be cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Then I'll get 2 cos A cos B minus 1. The whole thing is becoming now minus 1 minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Now I'll replace this here, this one. So I'll get sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C equals to 3 by 2 minus half. Instead of cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C, I'll put this one minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Let us simplify a little bit. Sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C equals to 3 by 2. This will be multiplied plus 1 by 2. This will be multiplied here. It will be 2 cos A cos B. It will be 4. Sorry. Very sorry. It will be 4 here. This will be plus half into 4 cos A cos B cos C. So I am getting sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C equal to 2 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Now coming to inequality. So cos A cos B cos C is your less than equal to 1 by 8. This I have a video to prove this, so you can click on the, you can learn from this. Click at the end, click on the video at the end. So 2 cos A cos B cos C is less than equal to 1 by 4. Now 2 plus 2 cos A cos B cos C is less than equal to 2 plus 1 by 4. So what is it? It is nothing but your sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C. So I can write sine square A plus sine square B sine square C is less than equal to 9 by 4. Hence proved. Thank you for watching whole video.